Cabin 7181 on the Carnival Pride. This is cabin 7181 on the Carnival Pride, heading towards the Bahamas, a 7-day cruise. Okay, so we have emergency instruction notice for passengers. Okay, that's the ship there. Picture of the ship, the inside, with instructions to how to exit, where to exit. This is a closet here now. Oh. Clothes already hung up. Safety jackets here, just in case. More closets. Nothing here yet but ties. I would say this is adequate space for a 7-night cruise. Or 8-night cruise. Here we have another closet. Shower. This is the toilet. Small but tidy. We have hair conditioning, or hair condition, I'm sorry, body wash, shower head. Ooh. This here is a line. You can hang your clothes up after washing. Towels. We have a large mirror here. This is the sink. Napkin holder. Not bad. Just have to be careful. Watch your step when getting in and coming out. Yeah, in case you want extra time to snooze. There's a sofa. There's a light above the sofa. Paintings as wall decoration, nightstands, more paintings, and here we have a king-size bed. Well, 2 twin beds joined together. Lighting, television, there should be a safe here. Yeah, put your belongings or your documents, jewelry, and so on for safekeeping. This is a bar here. this area, and this is the refrigerator. Let's see if they added anything in this refrigerator. Not yet. It's empty until tonight when we hit that bar. Extra drawers. Footstool. Blow dryer. Drawers. Another mirror. And that's about it for inside. Let's head to the balcony. Not a bad sized room. It's okay, it's very clean though. Just put the towel there so I can sit. Okay. Let's sit outside. Two chairs on the table for when we are having our drinks or early morning breakfast. We are in the middle of the ship looking out on the 995. Some cruisers now coming in. That's about it.